What brought you out today?
Well, I was dying to see the neighborhood out here at Sutton Fields and part of Prosper ISD.
I came out today so I can get a feel for the neighborhood, so I can introduce this neighborhood to my clients. It seemed like a booming area.
I really can't miss any of these luncheons because it's a lot of fun.
I just like the layout of the homes.
Try to get my clients out here to buy a First Texas home.
What are some things about the home that sets First Texas apart from other home builders?
I think really the finish.
It has a, down home country feel to it.
Build your entire home with standard options and have a beautiful home.
I mean, there's a lot of little things that a lot of builders don't put into it, and if they do, you're going to be paying extra. Here, it's all done.